Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 53 how to unblock an account on Instagram using the application called GRIDS for Instagram using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock, click on the application itself called GRIDS, and then make sure we are signed into the account. Click on your profile and now go to the search box. Search for the account that you wish to unblock, as you have already blocked the account in the previous tutorial. Click the profile and now go to the right hand top corner, 3 dots, unblock. Unblock, yes. We can refresh the page a couple of times, go back to your profile, refresh, go back to the DMs, refresh the DMs. The account is now visible as we have unblocked the account. The posts, followers, and following are now available. Once you block an account, the post, followers, following tag all become 0 as you are no longer able to contact the account or even see the account, nor can the account see you. Once you unblock, everything is now visible. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.